Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, sunshine. I got messy hair. I just woke up. That's not the right angle. Not at all. Let's go to the car. But coming at you right now is a video that was supposed to end up Vlogtober, but did not end up Vlogtober because life sometimes takes precedent over YouTube. I have to get the hitch on before I go on my trip. I just do. For those of you who were wondering, I have bolts that came with the hitch. That's what I'm using to install the hitch. The bolts that I got at Tractor Supply the other day are just going in down below. I'm going to put some WD-40 on and I'm going to screw them up into where these bolts are going to go. It will basically clean out the area of where the installation's going. To be fair, I am a little daunted about it because it's heavy, but my brother's like, no, it's gonna be fine. I'm here. You'll be great. I'm gonna put the time lapse on and we're gonna just watch me work. That way I can listen to my podcast while I install this. And I can get this off the list because now I have to go out of town for a week. Also, can we just talk for a second? I never talked about naming my car. We'll go back to that. I do not have a creeper. I'm just going to use some cardboard. It just seems to be easier, especially since it's so rocky. A creeper means I'd have to put the car up. I don't know. But let's do this. Okay, that was not exactly how I expected to respond to my project. As soon as I got under the car, I felt like I was going to vomit. Now, I have no idea. I cannot pretend to know whether that is, maybe I need to drink some water, which I just laid down to do that. I'm drinking water and I just kind of laid down. I did just eat lunch about an hour ago. I don't think we ate anything bad for lunch, but I'm just trying to think about what I just ate. Like, could the timing of me having lunch just naturally coincide with me climbing under a car? I've also never been under a car before, and it was slightly claustrophobic. Like, I was like, oh my gosh, I even went inside and was like, how do you do that? I have had a few offers on help with the hitch, but I really want to do it myself so I can say that I did it. So I'm just going to kind of rest here for a minute and assess the situation. Okay. My brother's come to my rescue. The bolt they sold me is not correct. So whatever I was trying to do, but that doesn't explain why I wanted to vomit. I'm just drinking some 7-Up and going from there.
They should. They got like some teeth or something. So I put this one on upside down.
Oh, the washers themselves have teeth. The teeth go on the top or bottom?
I would put them digging in.
Okay, so that one's right.
Facing up towards the metal it's going to touch. Because you want it.
Oh, you want it? Okay, I had it backwards also. Oh, I already just did a shout out that you came in and saved the day. Because this was
but I knew that you'd ambitious. Have help, that I knew.
Yeah, no, I just wasn't expecting to feel claustrophobic and want to vomit being underneath the car. That's weird. I don't know whether it was just the heat or just...
This is one I'm fighting with, so I don't know if you want to film that forever, but... I mean, they're all going to eventually have to be tightened up and shit and torqued down.
Yeah, I've got the torque specs. I don't know how you set the wrench to do that, but... Said I was just taking video of the dropped muffler. I don't have your face, though. I was just confirming that you're like the guy from, what's his name? What's that show where he... The Tool Time? The neighbor that's... You never see him, you see his head. Yay to my brother for saving the day. And I really did think I was going to be able to install this, and I probably could. But then also, who knows, maybe you're just not supposed to do everything. Okay, this is a torque wrench. Seriously, I absolutely adore my brother that he thought this project was not above my pay grade, but definitely it was above my pay grade, and I'm so glad that he is here because this is his realm. But this is a torque wrench, so we have to torque it to 75 pounds. The muffler is still unattached, but it's almost there. Oh gosh. Thank goodness. A tiny bit, I can also see why folks were like, you're doing this by yourself, Jenny? You're installing this? Are you sure? If you need help, I'm here for you. So thank you, super. But thank you a lot. I know Casey reached out for help. And I know a few other people had reached out for help. And I could totally see why you were like, I'm here for you. We have torqued. We have put the muffler back together. I did not film. I did crawl back underneath there to see how that happened. And now we can decide what to put on the end. Because I realize there's not actually a hitch on the end. It's just a receiver to have a hitch or a table or maybe a hammock, bike rack. I'm not sure. What? Why? Where did you come from? Why are you in my house? I am trying to get ready for bed. You need to leave. You absolutely need to leave. You are giant. I am getting the vacuum. This is not going to be pretty. Why? Why? Where? What? Why? Why? Okay, all I know is I was packing. I heard a very loud noise, like a helicopter, next to my ear. And then there that thing was. And whomever told me, after watching the video from last year, where I chased a hornet in my house for hours, my anxiety level was very high, but I am pretty certain that I have vacuumed it. I'm out front of the grocery store. I have to go in and get supplies. And I'm going to stop at Home Depot to get supplies for the roof, because we have a temporary band-aid for the roof. Hi, I'm Jenny, and today I gave you my hitch installment. And you can see more at JenniGives More, because that's where I'll be putting vlogs and art from now on, and this is gonna just stick to history and hiking. So I can separate my thoughts and clear my mind. Now I have to go in to the grocery store and buy supplies. Now I'm at the lovely Home Depot. Yay for roof fixing things on the roof. Yay for that. Went to the grocery store, stocked up on stuff for Thanksgiving. I know, I like to plan ahead. Am I a prepper? Maybe, maybe not. It depends on who you talk to. Am I prepared? No. But do I have butter? Yes, absolutely. Okay, but now I'm going inside Home Depot to get the roof stuff. I've got the groceries in the back. Let's go. This is completely installed. I'm gonna clean this up and I can put stickers on it. Because I don't put stickers on my vehicle. But I can put stickers on this because this is on the bottom. So I have a bunch of stickers I can put on there. And my car is extremely dirty. I need to wash it. That's wrong. My toes are cold though. I'm going inside. Thank you for watching. Be grateful, make good choices in your adventures, and I'll catch you on the flip side.